Hello and welcome from CMT Stuttgart, and so it's the second largest RV event in Europe. I think maybe even be the second largest in the world. I'm not certain of that. I don't really know, but I'm going to show you here a vehicle from Clever Vans. Now I've just shown you one from Clever Vans. I'll move the camera slowly back. It's this one here, but this is a one-off, this rather flash off-road Mercedes Sprinter conversion costing 109,000, which you can see in a different vehicle video. Here I'm going to show you this one here, which is this. It's more typical of what they do. Vario Kids on a Citroen, 50,500 euros, and it is. What is it? What else does it say? Vario Kids 600. I've got you the price. 6 metre van. That's quite clear. Let's have a quick look in here, and so we've got the chair, which goes variable, as it's called. 4 people can sleep in 2 bunk beds here at the back. Now I see one of my friends here who was also filming this earlier, so I'm presuming that he got as much. Oh, he didn't use the light. Sorry, I didn't use the light to its full effect. So, can you sleep in a bunk bed up there like that? Well, looks a bit like a bunk bed on a train, to be quite honest. I think that's going over the top. I do appreciate that there's something for everyone, but to me it seems somewhat claustrophobic. But again, it depends what you want. You might like to be claustrophobic. This washroom is outstandingly large, I've got to say. I mean, it might look a bit odd, but it is really, I think it's quite practical as well. Let's come inside. So close this here, close the sensible sliding door. Yeah, that's quite good. Quite like that. It's also handy. There's the Vitry Frigo, electric fridge, 2-way fridge, storage here, storage below, storage there, and storage in the kitchen block, as you'd expect. Here's the table. Yeah. For a comparatively cheap vehicle, that is quite nice. Now I see friend here has left this here. I don't know where he is, so I'm going to hand that in once the I've finished doing this myself. So there you go, Citroen jumper van conversion. Look at the back, admire the double bunk beds from the rear, and because of the double bunk beds, it does mean to say there's less room here. But having said that, yeah, you can get 2 full-sized canister gas cylinders in there. This of course will all come up. You can take it away and get rid of that one as well if you want. That'll make much more room should that be required. This is meant to be obviously for people with kids. So thanks for watching, quick video, and bye for now.